Okay, so the sump is done water testing outside. It was out all night and it is tight. In other words, it's not leaking. I bought some tubing. Here's the tubing for the drain. It's coming down. I was getting a lot of flushing from the dorsal pipe, but turns out all I had to do was make this hole larger and it works out. No more flushing. In case you're wondering about that sock, it's literally a sock. I have a lot of debris in there from shaving acrylic and whatnot, and I'm gonna run it like this for a while until all the shavings is filtered out by this sock, literally. I was looking around for a sock and I couldn't find one at the pet stores, so oh well. It works. I'm sure it'll work. Here's the pump feeding the return pump. It's a Mag 5. I know I was suggested to use like a Mag 9.5, but I'm gonna try this out and see. According to, calculations and all that, this Mag 5 should work out. We'll see. So it feeds up all the way to the top, and here's my makeshift return until I could drill a hole somewhere here, maybe, and put one of those Y fittings in there, and it'll just spray all the way out this way. And here is the skimmer. Ignore that tape. Of course, it's Aquasea 120. Apparently it's the Ferrari of skimmers, so that works. And I don't know what else. The dorsal pipe is working out great. It's pretty quiet. The only thing I hear a lot of noise from is the return or the drain over here. There's a lot of bubbling. I don't know, I guess that's normal. I don't know yet. Oh, and yeah, I got that tape over there holding that pipe because I'm not too confident about the that right there. The guys at Lowe's said that I could use the PVC cement on that, but I don't know. I don't trust it, so I have that holding it up in case that decides to pop out overnight. I'd be very upset. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna hook up the skimmer. Actually, this is tap water, so I don't think I'm gonna hook it up quite yet until I get my salt water all mixed and all that. I don't want to have tap water running through this. I don't know how that affects it. I'm sure it'll clear out once I run salt water after a while, but I'm sure that'll change my water levels in here. I might have to I might not have to do anything. I'm not sure how the water level will be affected after I add this. We'll see. So let's see, what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for my light to come in. After I'm satisfied with this setup, with it not leaking on me, I will buy the live rock and buy the live sand. I might have to take some time off for that to take the to receive the package. Of course, I'll have some RODI all mixed or ready to go for that. Oh, and I also have to order the RODI unit. I think it takes like a whole day to mix this amount of water, or to create that amount of water with RODI. But that's alright, I got time. I'm in no hurry. And that is it. Stay tuned.